Magandang araw sa inyo. Narito ang inyong Kuya Win upang patnubayan, padaliin at bigyan kayo ng kaalaman sa mga aralin sa matematika. At nagsasabing, learning math is easy and fun. Ngayong araw ay tatalakayin natin ang rational expressions. Kapag sinabi nating rational expressions, it has the same properties of rational numbers. Since we cannot divide by 0, replacements for variables in the denominator that make the denominator 0 are not acceptable. Sa madaling sabi, yung denominator ay bawal mag-0. Let's have here the illustration of rational number. A over B, where A is your numerator and B is your denominator, where B should not be equal to 0. So bakit nga ba bawal mag-0 ang denominator? Sa tingin nyo, anong dahilan? Okay, bawal mag-0 ang denominator dahil ito ay magiging undefined. Para lang division. For example, 5 over 0. 5 over 0, it can be rewrite as 5 divided by 0 or 5 divided by 0. Kapag ang denominator and divisor ay 0, mag-equal siya sa undefined. We cannot divide any number by 0. Okay, tatandaan niyo yan ha. So for this topic, ang focus lang natin ay yung denominator. Bawal siyang mag-equal sa 0. Okay, for better understanding, let's have these examples. Example number 1. 5 over x. So what do you think is the restricted values for our denominator, which is x? Kapag sinabing restricted values, ano yung bawal na maging value ng x? Okay, very good. Napakadali. Where x should not be equal to 0. Kasi kapag ang naging value ng x natin dito ay 0, automatic siya ay magiging undefined. For example, number 2, let's have a over b minus 2. So, ano ang restricted values natin for b? Tandaan, na bawal mag-0 ang ating denominator. Tama ang iyong sagot. So, where b should not be equal to positive 2. Kasi kapag iyan ay naging positive 2, at pinalitan natin si b dito ng 2, 2 minus 2, it will become 0. Example number 3. Let's have x over x plus 7. What do you think is the restricted value for x? Sige. Tama ang iyong sagot. The x should not be equal to negative 7. Kasi, kapag pinalitan natin dito si x ng negative 7 plus 7, the answer will be 0. Example number 4. 5 over x minus y. Ano ang iyong sagot? Madali lang yan. Okay, tama ang iyong sagot. Bawal magkaparehas ng value si x and y. Okay? So, x cannot be y. Kasi kapag nagkaparehas ng value si x and y, magiging 0 ulit ang ating denominator. For example, 3 minus 3, it will become 0, or negative 5 minus negative 5 is 0. Let's have x minus 5 over the quantity of x plus 3 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 7. What do you think is the restricted values for number 5? Tingin mo. Where x should not be equal to what? Tama kayo, bawal siyang maging negative 3. At kapag pinalitan natin dito si x ng negative 3 plus 3, the answer will become 0. And 0 multiplying by this quantity of x minus 7, it will become 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. How about this one? Bawal naman siya maging positive 7. So, dalawa yung ating restricted values dito. Madali lang, di ba? So, it's your turn para sagutan yung aking mga ibibigay na given. For your activity, you're going to find the restricted values of the following rational expressions. Please, paki-post po muna yung video kapag kayo ay nagsasagot. Tapos afterwards, i-reveal ko yung mga sagot. Let's answer your activity. For number 1, 3 over y. The value of y should not be equal to 0. For number 2, 8 over a plus 8. A should not be equal to negative 8. Number 3, negative 3 over x minus 3. The value of x should not be equal to positive 3. For number 4, the value of s should not be equal to positive 4. And for number 5, z minus 5 over the quantity of z plus 5 multiplied by the quantity of z minus 2. The value of z should not be equal to negative 5 and positive 2. O, diba? Madali lang. So, tungo tayo dito sa ating rational algebraic expression. Sinasabi dito, it is a quotient of two polynomials. A rational expression always indicates division. So, for example, x squared plus 3x minus 10 over 3x plus 2. So, it can be rewrite as quantity of x squared plus 3x minus 10 divided by the quantity of 3x plus 2. Thus, a quotient of two algebraic expressions where both numerator p and the denominator q are polynomials, but q must not be equal to 0. The expression p over q is called rational algebraic expression. So, ito ang ating key points dito. Yung ating numerator at denominator ay parehas polynomial. And at the same time, ang denominator ay bawal mag-0. Mathematics requires practice, practice, and practice. Ako ulit si Kuya Win ang nagpapaalala na learning math is easy and fun. Para patuloy na matutunan at maintindihan ang math, huwag kalimutang i-like, subscribe, at hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga lessons natin. I hope ay marami kang natutunan. Maraming salamat!